And I want to give a big special thanks to this producer on this channel. Thank you so much, Clint. Sorry for the wait because I film on Saturdays and I edit Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then I take Thursday off, and then I'm back to editing Friday. So I apologize for the delay, but there's a new artist that is recommended. So my name is Philip Titus Barnett. I am a New Jersey independent short film maker. I have submitted to short film festivals. I have worked on multiple short films and films. So I have a reaction channel to help promote these amazing artists on this channel, and it also helps me to get more exposure, and it also helps me to edit more videos because I edit my own videos. It does take a lot of time to put these videos out. I know if you clicked on this reaction, you are here for this artist and not for me. I do understand that, and 90% of the time I do enjoy the things that I am watching. So if you are watching this video, thank you so much for coming here, and I do appreciate you, and I hope you're staying well and staying safe. Okay, let's do this one. It has 10 million views, 10 million, and it's her official channel. Courtney Hadwin, Sucker, live cover. 1, 2. The volume is all the way up. All right, here we go.
We go together, better than birds of a feather, you and me. We change the weather, yeah. I'm feeling heat in December when you're around me. I've been dancing on top of cars and stumbling out of bars. I follow you through the dark and getting off. Hey, you're the medicine in the pain, the tattoo inside my brain. And baby, you know it's obvious, I'm a sucker for you. I'll say the word and I'll go anywhere blindly. I'm a sucker for you, yeah. Any road you take, you know that you'll find me. I'm a sucker for all the subliminal things no one knows about you, and you're making the typical me break my typical rules. It's true, oh, I'm a sucker for you. Don't complicate it, 'cause I know you when you know everything about me. Oh, I can't remember all of the nights I don't remember when you're around me. Hey, I've been dancing on top of cars and stumbling out of bars. I follow you through the dark and getting off. You're the medicine in the pain, the tattoo inside my brain. And baby, you know it's obvious, I'm a sucker for you. I'll say the word and I'll go anywhere blindly. I'm a sucker for you. Any road you know that you'll find me. I'm a sucker for all the subliminal things about you, and you're making the typical me break my typical rules. It's true, oh, I'm a sucker for you, sucker for you. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, I'm a sucker for you. Say the word and I'll go anywhere blindly. Oh, I'm a sucker for you. Any road you take, you know that you'll find me. I'm a sucker for all the subliminal things no one knows about you. And you're making the typical me break my typical rules. It's true, oh, I'm a sucker for you.
All right. Another win for Clinton. Thank you so much for recommending this artist. I am hitting the love button. I wish there was a love button besides the like button because I love this. I tell you what, I like the song from Jonas Brothers. I love this from her. I love this. This is my first time watching her, hearing her perform. This is how you perform this song. This is her song now. This is her song. It belongs to her. She stole it and it's hers. It's amazing, it's incredible coming from her. I love it coming from her. She's beautiful, she's talented, and she knows how to freaking perform. That voice is incredible coming out of her. I was shocked, like wow, like what the actual heck that voice is coming out of her, and the way she moves too. Like she's giving it her all, like wow. Look at that outfit too. Wow, look at this, look at her. Yeah. I don't know how many times I fell in love in this YouTube channel. I swear I'm in love with her. This performance is incredible. I can't wait to do more reactions to her. I'm hitting the like button, I'm hitting the subscribe button. Make sure you are liking and subscribing to her channel. She has this, come on guys, come on. Like 10 million views and only 800,000 subscribers. Come on, you know you can do better than that. If you watch a video, sign into YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to the artist you are watching. If you enjoy it, subscribe. That is a great way to show your support to this artist. I am liked, I am subscribed by watching this one video. I fell in love, and I'm definitely will be doing more reactions to her. This video is incredible. The way it was shot is incredible. I love it. I love it. The editing is great. The cuts are great. It's in focus. It's high quality. Yeah, everything is good. That piano is great. The bass or guitar, I'm not sure. Is that I think that's a guitar. Yeah, that's a guitar. That's definitely a guitar. Yeah, everyone did a good job. I love the location. I love the way it was filmed. I love the color grading of it. I love the style of it, the mood of it. Yeah. Yeah. I need to know more information about her. I'm going to go on Google right now to look up more information about her right now. But this video is incredible. I loved it. I loved it. Her performance is on point. On point. My name is Philip Titus Barnett from PTB Productions. If you enjoyed this reaction, please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 100,000 followers this year. I hope you're doing well. Have a great day.